Yeah.
Right? Right.
That's Ryan.
It's shot. Right?
That's Ryan again. 2 pictures in one.
Right? Okay. Open. Okay. Why not? Okay. Okay. Why not? Okay. Why not? Okay. Okay.
You ask her.
You want to play with Susie?
Open. Right? Open.
You want that open?
Line open. Line open.
You want to play with Susie?
I want,
You want Daddy to help you play with Susie?
please.
Okay, let's move the pictures. Let's move the
Okay.
pictures. Okay? Let's
Okay.
move the pictures. We'll put Ryan. Okay, Ryan. Put Ryan over here. Is that good? We put Ryan there?
Open. Open.
Okay, want to take Susie's
Yep.
head off?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Whoop.
Open.
Oh, you can take that ring off, can't you?
Good.
Open.
Now. What are you doing? Is this your trick?